We're running. This is awesome.
Hey man, you get the flicks developed?
Hey CJ.
What's up, woozie?
Hey Carl. I was just explaining to your brother-in-law that we were friends.
Oh yeah? Well look, woozie, I need to get some info from you, man.
What exactly do you boys want to know?
Who are these putas, Holmes?
Why don't you go take a look?
These guys?
Yeah.
They're the Loco Syndicate. They're pretty big time, I think. Don't have any dealings with them. We don't touch blow. Now this guy runs things. I don't know his name. This guy is T-Bone Mendez. He's the muscle.
And who's that guy?
That's Jizzy B. He's the biggest pimp in town. He helps set up the deals. You know, concierge of sorts.
Hey, did he my way in? How I get to him?
No wait. I have seen before. Get the asshole on TV. Jizzy was a pimp. His first thing is to go to a strip club. He's wanting to get a deal, so he's going to first get over a place. He's waiting for the mission. It's getting him super find a woman.
Oh, Jizzy? Jizzy runs the Pleasure Domes Club in that old fortress under the Gant Bridge.
Hey, good looking out, woozie.
No problem. Don't be a stranger.
Alright.
I follow Sakura.
See, baby, I got everything. Mink sheets, mink coats, mink curtains in the window. When I walk down the stairs, I'm walking down on mink carpet. Now, who is this trick?
Yes, sir. See, I'm new in town. Anything you want, I can do.
Y'all only got 2 eyes, and in these streets, you got to have more than that. You got to be like a flying shit, you know? 100 eyes everywhere.
Look, we go to the air raid. Should be known as name Z, known as Zero. I'll go with here. So to you,
No
Jizzy.
problem. You my player partner now, Jizzy.
Stick around, Jizzy.
Hey, what up, Z?
Nothing is up, Carl, apart from my blood pressure and the imminent collapse of my hopes and dreams.
Why?
As usual, the forces of darkness have triumphed over good. Life is nothing but misery, briefly interspersed with agony.
Homie, what you on? Whatever it is, you need to reduce the dose.
Excuse me, but I never take drugs. We all know drugs are for losers and or sex maniacs. And right now, sex is the last thing on my mind.
Thank God for that.
Are you sure you got to have sex with Sakura? You gotta be cheating me.
Berkeley is back.
Oh, Berkeley.
Yes.
Who?
Who the fuck is Berkeley?
Oh, just a man I once beat in fair competition. A man literally obsessed with revenge.
Oh, you put hands on him?
No, please. I never initiate violence.
Oh, I know. You knocked his bitch.
No.
Who is
I
going to
won the
say?
prize in the science fair. First prize, that is.
And now
The 1899 is once a week for this wait for it.
And now you wanna pop you? And they say gangbangers is petty and small-minded. What's that
One.
bleeping sign?
That's him. We shall fight to the end. Berkeley's launched a full-scale attack.
This is insanity!
This is what a toy with one a battleship.
All batteries commence fire. He's going for my transmitters. If he takes them out, I'll never be able to launch a counterattack.
He's waiting for the Baron. It looks like a Sauron.
No problem, man, but they're only toys.
They're not toys. They're just smaller.
The locking phase. Ratios. Target weapons and shields. I don't want Enterprise destroyed. Oh my god! Ah! Ah! Yeah! Ah! Throw the shields up. destroying, sir.
12 o'clock!
Oh shit! I cannot power, sir. Oh. Scotty! Whoa, look at my parents! Mr. Scotty is me. Just hang on, I'm sir. Trying to report. Aye, sir. Oh shit! This would have been for the raid. Oh my god. You're always done.
It, don't get cocky.
Alright. Looking down. 10th report.
RC Barons at 9 o'clock high, Carl.
It's okay. I see it. Bring me the ejaculator being wrong. Fine. You do this. Why? Why did you know this made about? But the human knows again. Visual. So the power of turbo lasers. Too late. Incoming! Ah! You're too slow, Jim. Attack what she's on Theta. Damn it! Shields on us! Scotty! What's that? I think a few minutes. You don't have a few minutes. You want to see us all, Jim? It has laser power. A few shots, sir. Not enough to raise the shields. Hell are they doing? Admiral! The scimitar is with a message. He wants a chance to it. Talk to Shinzon to it. On screen. Captain, do it! But don't be severe. Captain Kirk. It's been a long time ago. We want to what should be wrong at least a wrong time. Pratt Shinzon. You movie reels about this should be soon. You fool, look around you. Now let's get to Sarah Romulan. Since when young 2009. Where are you at? Shin was one of the first day. Hazel was very fair. It's one thing to do. Should be saved without. Alright, shit. Yes. Then you, what I want is one to be there. Here it comes, she's on. You're dead, man. One thing, one ugly motherfucker. Laser shields, activate. Fire. That's all of them. Sir, you made it. I once stood for all. Everything is about this when I swear. Shinzon, Sapik. It's one of the position of one so far. Come on, Spock. We gotta find you with the Predator she's on and go to fight.
Well done, Carl. Now leave. I must prepare for the battles ahead. Never have so few owed so many. Too little, three. No, that's not it. What is it?